Lilian and I caught a bus, along with her mother and her brother, and travelled into the local town of Cannock. We were getting married. We went to the local registry office. I signed a book. Lilian signed the book. It cost me 13 shillings and threepence, 67 cents today. And we came out, went for a drink in a pub, and that was it. We were married.
Dak kien it-8 ta' Ottubru 1966, Reġġ Fitzpatrick, Irlandiż, kellu 21 sena, Lilian Ingliża 16. 50 sena eżatt wara, bil-ġurnata, Lilian akkumpanjata minn neputi Sean daħlet fil-kappella tad-dar tal-irtiri Manresa f'Għawdex u fuq l-artal intlaqet miż-żewġa Reġġ biex issa jiżżewġu bil-Knisja. Lilian tgħid li f'nofs seklu ma' Reġġ ma kien jonqosha xejn, kellhom żewġ ulied li llum huma miżżewġin bit-tfal, iżda kienet tħoss li hemm xi ħaġa nieqsa.
I felt guilty that I didn't go to the church and get married properly.
11 sena ilu ġew joqogħdu Għawdex. Reġġ jgħid li fl-aħħar snin kien qiegħed jinnota lil martu mdejqa, kienet tgħidlu li l-ħolma ta' ħajjitha hija li tiżżewweġ bil-Knisja.
But we've been together 50 years. I still feel that, she said. So I went and saw Bishop Mario Gresh here in Gozo, and explained the situation to him. Although I hadn't been to church for 40-odd years myself, I was brought up a Catholic in Ireland, he welcomed us. He welcomed the situation of helping us to achieve this, and he said, it's no problem, we can achieve it.
L-isqof ta' Għawdex innomina patri Ġiżwita biex jippreparahom għas-sagrament taż-żwieġ. Billi Lilian qatt ma kienet marret Knisja, segwiet programm ta' katekiżmu illi wassala biex f'Santa Marija ta' din is-sena l-isqof Grek amministrala 3 sagramenti, il-magħmudija, l-ewwel tqarbina u l-griżma tal-isqof. Monsignor Grek issa ċċelebra żwieġ tagħhom fil-preżenza ta' qraba li ġew minn bnadi differenti tad-dinja. Bil-Koppja issa miżżewġa bil-Knisja, Reġġ stqarr li għall-ewwel kien xettiku u għamel il-pass biex jara lil martu kuntenta. Madankollu jgħid li l-esperjenza tal-aħħar xhur kienet bħal vjaġġ illi bih reġa' skopra l-fidi nisranija u jħossu kuntent aktar.
We're now approaching the rest of our life now as active members once again of the church, and we feel so much more enriched and enlightened again, and happier as a result of it.
Lilian xtaqet tibgħat messaġġ lil koppji miżżewġa jew li qegħdin iħejju għaż-żwieġ.
Make sure you get the right person. Don't give up at the least little thing. If you have an argument, don't split up. Work at it. Talk about it, because things do get a bit rocky, but you don't give up.
U l-aħħar kelma lil żewġa Reġġ.
I love him very much.